The Camping Sleeping Pad by CAMDOOR is an excellent choice for outdoor enthusiasts seeking comfort and convenience on their adventures. Weighing just 1.3 pounds, this ultralight sleeping pad packs down to the size of a water bottle, making it incredibly easy to carry along on camping or hiking trips. Once inflated, it expands to a generous size of 77 inches by 25 inches, with a thickness of 3.93 inches, providing ample space and cushioning for a good night's sleep. Made from durable 20D nylon and TPU sealing coating, this sleeping pad is both water-resistant and tear-resistant, ensuring it can withstand the rigors of outdoor use. The high R value means this pad offers excellent insulation, keeping you warm even in colder weather. The horizontal insulating air chambers distribute your weight evenly, preventing the ground from drawing heat away from your body, making it suitable for all-season use. One of the standout features of this sleeping pad is its easy inflation process. The included 2-in-1 inflatable storage bag allows for quick and effortless inflation without the need for lung power. It takes about 5 minutes to fully inflate, adjust, seal, and deflate. This pad also includes snaps that allow you to join two pads together to create a double sleeping pad, perfect for couples or those who want extra space. Overall, the CAMDOOR Camping Sleeping Pad offers an excellent combination of lightweight portability, durability, and comfort. It's perfect for anyone looking to enhance their camping or hiking experience with a reliable and easy-to-use sleeping pad. And the high R value and easy inflation process are particularly noteworthy, making this a great investment for all your outdoor adventures.